how to use Calendly tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type calendly.com. Now, Calendly is an online availability and booking tool that helps people and businesses, events, meetings, and appointments. Instructional teams can utilize Calendly to share their calendars with specified availabilities with their students instead of email chains, or they can distribute the calendars via link with a set time for scheduling a slot. So this is what it looks like. Now, what you're going to do to get started is you just have to click this get started right here, or sign up with Google if you want, or sign up with Microsoft. But for me, I want to sign up with Google because I think this one is the easiest. So how do you plan using Calendly? You just have to click whatever you want here. So for example, on my own, and then what kind of work do you do? So let's just say education, because I want to offer tutorial services. Okay, click continue. And then what you're going to do here is to simply start with the Calendly. So as you can see, this is Calendly. This is the interface. You can tap this X, and on the left panel, you can see the features or options such as event types, scheduled events, availability, contacts, workflows, integrations, routing, app replanning, so on. If you want to create an event, just click create event right here. But first, let's just have this event types. Event types is or are parameters for bidding. We have here scheduled events. You can see here upcoming, pending, past, and also the date range. So you can see the status of the bookings and events here. Okay, and then we have the availability. So you can see here your schedules and holidays. So you would know if you want to open on holidays or not. Okay, so for availability, of course, you can set your time here if you want to open every Sunday or if you want to close your schedule every Saturday. So everything is up to you. You could also change the time here, okay, by adjusting the time. You can add specific time if you want. So that is inside availability. For contacts, you can add contacts here. For example, this is your student, this is the contact of your student or your client. So you can add email address, name, time zone, and the phone number. So for workflows, then you can see here workflows. If you want to use workflow like this, like email reminder to invitee or text reminder to host, you just have to click this use workflow button right here. Okay, so this is the information. All you have to do is to enter the details here. So this is what it looks like for workflows. Once you have added the details, then click save. Okay, so for integrations and apps, so you may utilize Calendly with other products and services thanks to integrations. Your calendar and meeting data may synchronize directly with other tech stack products through the use of an integration, saving you time and effort. Okay, so you just have to choose here LinkedIn, Facebook. You can see other platforms like Slack, WordPress, Wix, and so on. Routing, so if you want to create new routing form, then you can just simply tap this one if you wanted to. You can easily qualify, route, and schedule meetings from your website with Calendly routing. So you just have to click this blue button here. You can go to App Plan, Analytics, Admin Center, and Help. So let's start with this create. So you can see the options here, event type, one-off meeting, meeting poll. So let's start with event type. So once you tap this one, event types, then you will see the following here: one-on-one, group, collective, round robin. So if you click this one-on-one, obviously this one is one host and one invitee. Okay, so click next. So this one is one-on-one event, to be exact. So you can add the event name, for example, academic tutoring. So duration, let's just say 45. Location, you can choose from any option. So let's just say this one is in person. Okay, because this one is one-on-one. So after that, you can add this location right here. You can edit location. So you have to type your location since it's person. So after that, you just have to click update. Okay, so you will be notified that you have or you will have a one-on-one meeting, or you have this event type one-on-one event specifically on this coming date. Okay, so you can also see this host and invitees. Okay, scheduling of settings or booking page options and communication. So you can simply edit something there if you want. So you have group, okay, click next. And then here you can add event theme, group tutoring, and then duration. And this time I want this as Zoom. So you have to connect your Zoom first. So let's just try phone. Okay, you can add a phone number here, or let's just say Google Meet. Okay, maximum. Let's just say for this group tutoring, I just need 10. Click continue and it will be saved. Okay, so we're done with the event type. Now let's move on with one-off meeting. So you can use important event type settings such as venue, host, timing, and more when you set up a one-off meeting. When you need to rapidly plan an unconventional meeting with one or more hosts, this kind of meeting can be helpful. Provide your invitee with times that are not convenient for you. Okay, so that's the advantage of this new one-off meeting. So all you have to do is set the time right here if you are available or not. Also set a duration. Okay, so we're almost done with this new one-off meeting. Okay, so when you go back to your homepage, or if you want to go back to your homepage, then all you have to do is to click this X icon here. Anyways, if you want to invite someone, you just have to click invite user, add their email address, click invite and invite, and they will be notified. All they have to do is to accept it. Okay, so last we have here meeting poll. Okay, so in just a few easy steps, a Calendly meeting poll combines scheduling and voting. You can structure meeting details and provide times to meet. On the times of their choice, people vote. Calendly arranges the meeting for you at the most convenient moment or time. Okay, you can also set the location, and then after that, you can share a meeting poll. You can copy the link and share it to someone by tapping or copy this link or share the link if you want and then paste it somewhere. Okay, so that's it. So in the homepage, you can see all of the upcoming events such as group tutoring. If you want to edit something, you just have to click academic tutoring and so on. So here you will see the pending, the past, and upcoming and availability. Okay, you can choose if you want a list view or calendar view. Again, if you want to set time, change time, you just have to go to availability and change your time here. For example, for Sundays, you're open 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. For Mondays, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and so on. Or you can add date specific hour if you want. Going to choose a plan, so you can go to upgrade plan, and then these are the plans that you can avail and the features that you can unlock once you upgrade your plan. So you just have to compare. And once you have decided to select a plan, just click the button and then purchase it. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.